Hello everyone, welcome back to Heavy On. I am Mr. Savan and today we have an exciting topic to explore. Unlocking the future. Innovative insurance solution in the digital age. As our technology continue to evolve, so does the insurance industry. Today we'll back diving into some groundbreaking insurance solution that are reshaping the landscape. So, back up as we embark on this journey into the future of insurance. In the digital age, insurance is undergoing a transformative revolution from artificial intelligence to blockchain. Innovative solutions are changing the way we think about risk management and coverage. Let's dive into some key area where technology is reshaping the insurance landscape. One of the most exciting developments in insurance is the use of artificial intelligence in underwriting. All, algorithm can analyze vast amount of data at incredible speed, helping insurance make more informed discussion when acquires risk. This not only streamlines the underwriting process but also in chance leading to more trialed coverage for physio holder. Blockchain technology is reluting that way insurance contracts are managed. Smart contracts powered by blockchains, automotive and enforce contact term with the needs of immediaries. This is not only reduce administrative cost by also minimize the patients for fraud. It's a win-win for both insurance and physio holder. Telemedicine and use-based insurance and transforming the auto insurance industries by utilizing telematics devices that monitor drive behavior. Insurance can offer personalized premier based on actual use. This not only promotes safer driving but also philosophy holder to have more control over their insurance cost. The digital age has given rise to a wave of instruction startups, each bringing innovative solution to the table. These companies leverage technology of to the chance customer experience, straight miles processed, and introduce new and exciting insurance product from on-demand coverage to pre insurance. Insurance is disrupting to the traditional insurance model. As we wrap up our explore of innovations, insurance solution in the digital age, it's clear the technology is reshaping. The industry is unspotted wave from all driven underwriting to blockchain powered smart contract. The future of insurance look promising and customer centered. If you enjoy the journey into the future, does not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, stay tuned